How many of you guys think you know what the elements, what does it mean to actually have a valid contract? What does that mean, right? If you're lucky enough to have gone to university, or if you're a lawyer, or if you have a lawyer in the family, maybe someone walked you through these points that I'm going to talk about in a second. But there are about 6 critical things, elements really, that will constitute a valid contract, and they're as follows. Number 1, you need to have an offer. Something needs to be offered in order to institute a proposal of a contract. Number 2, you need to have acceptance. Acceptance meaning you're accepting of the offer. 3, there needs to be consideration. Consideration means I'm going to work for you in exchange for this amount of money or for something, right? It doesn't have to be money, but there needs to be an exchange of something to be considered. 4, mutuality of obligation, which means there needs to be some kind of reciprocation of I do this, you do that, and it needs to be clearly listed out. Number 5, there needs to be capacity. So capacity is basically a nice legal jargon to say I'm mentally sane and able and ready and willing and knowing of what I'm about to sign, right? So if you're an insane person, or for example, in America, in most countries, if you're a minor, you can't sign a legally binding contract because you don't have the capacity to do such a thing. Okay? I can't be the secretary of the secretary and execute on behalf of the corporation because I don't have that authority. So very critical piece. Legality, which kind of goes in with capacity, is the 6th item. Legality is it has to be legal. You cannot write something, okay, that's fraudulent. That is not a legal and binding contract, right? I can't make up something that goes against the rules and the laws of the land. So legality is important, right? And these are the 6 components that comprise the elements of what a valid contract would constitute. So hopefully you guys now know this, and I'm going to give you guys some more examples as we talk about the various different contracts that exist in the realm of what we call commercial real estate.